Okay, to find the slope of the graph of f of x equals the square root of x minus 1 at the point a, comma, f of a, we're going to use the slope definition. So the slope is the limit as x approaches a of f of x minus f of a divided by x minus a. So now f of x is just the square root of x minus 1. Then minus f of a means we're going to take this input of a and plug it into the x in the function. So that's the square root of a minus 1 divided by x minus a. Okay, to simplify this, we're going to take the top and the bottom and multiply it by the square root of x minus 1 plus the square root of a minus 1. Okay, so if we multiply this out, we get root x minus 1 times root x minus 1, which is just x minus 1. Then plus root x minus 1 times root a minus 1 minus root x minus 1 times root a minus 1, and those cancel out. Then we get minus root a minus 1 times root a minus 1, which is just a minus 1. So minus a minus 1, all divided by this quantity right here times x minus a. And I'm not going to multiply that out. So here, if we clean it up, we get x minus 1 minus a plus 1. So the minus 1 and the plus 1 cancels out, and we get just x minus a. So x minus a, and now you see it's going to cancel with this x minus a here, which is very nice. So, as I said, that cancels with that. So we're left with the limit as x approaches a of 1 divided by this whole quantity right here. So root x minus 1 plus root a minus 1. Now we can use the substitution method to evaluate this limit here. So as x goes to a, this first term goes to the square root of a minus 1. Here this doesn't have an x in it, so it's not affected by x going to a. Only the things that have an x in them are affected by x going to a. So this is going to be 1 divided by the square root of a minus 1 plus square root of a minus 1. Oops, I'm sorry. I'm evaluating this, so I shouldn't have the limit anymore. So plus the square root of a minus 1, so it's 1 divided by 2 times the square root of a minus 1. So this right here is the slope of the graph of f of x equals the square root of x minus 1 at arbitrary input values of a.